Okay, so let me get you caught up to speed. I got to the hostel. I didn't check in because it was early, but I did take a shower. I dropped my bags off. I went to the exchange. I got lunch, and then I got on the bus to head towards the immigration center. One of your biggest resources while traveling is the people around you. At the airport, I was asked about the visa. I said I didn't have one, and I was told I needed to go to the immigration place. When Googling the immigration place, it was, 45 minutes away from the hostel. When I was at the hostel, I asked the reception about it, and she gave me some instructions, and turns out that the immigration office moved, and it's in this mall, which I'm currently in right now. It took me a little bit to try and find a quiet place to record. They have escalators here, and so I took 2 different buses to get here. The first bus was 17 baht, which is 49 cents. The second bus was 30 baht, which is 86 cents. And then I got here, and the office closes at 4. I got here at 2. And I guess they have a limit on the amount of people that they can take because of COVID, and their queue limit is 300. So when I was looking to fill out the paperwork, there's a sign that said the queue is full, they weren't accepting people. So I still talked to someone and asked them about it, and she saw that I got in today, and I was able to fill out the papers. I was able to, it's one document to fill out, and then you have to get your passport scanned, made copies of when you arrived, your departure embarkment card, and they scan a photo of my passport. And then I also had to get a picture of my face. I'll show you in a second. And you're not allowed to smile. So there's my picture. So to get the documents copied and printed, that was 8 baht, 23 cents. But to take the photo, you got 4 photos, but you only needed 1. It came out to 100 baht, which is $2.88. So I was able to get through. They checked all my documents. I was able to get all the way through to the immigration office and speak with the immigration police. For the extension, the 30-day extension is 1900 baht, which is $54.74 USD. And regardless of how many days you needed to be extended, it is still 1900 baht. So if you just need to extend it for 4 days, 10 days, 13 days, it doesn't matter. It's still the same price. So I'm sitting in the office with the immigration police, and she's looking over my documents, and she asked me if I had a jacket. So no, I do not have a jacket. And she let me know that when visiting government officials, it is important to dress appropriately. But she looked over my documents, and I was able to get processed. And the process overall took an hour, and now it is pouring outside. So I'm just in the mall hanging out. There's about 4 floors of this mall, and the immigration office right now is on the top floor. And I guess they moved locations in April, so this is a very new move. But there's 3 floors, and on the very bottom basement floor, they have a whole bunch of food. I'm not hungry because I ate a lot earlier. I'm still quite full, but there were some things that smelled really good, that I might have to get. And now it is 3:40. I'm about 40 minutes from the hostel. It's pouring outside. I'm probably gonna be here for a little bit. Wait till it stops raining and make my way back. Check in. And I don't know what I'll be up to for the rest of the night, for the rest of the evening. On the second bus ride here, I was definitely feeling a little sleepy. Closed my eyes for a little bit, but I didn't miss the stop. So I definitely hope I get some good sleep tonight, because I didn't sleep very well on the plane. So that was the process that I went through today to get my visa extended, but it got extended and it was worth it. I'm happy that I didn't have to come back tomorrow, because at first I thought I was gonna have to come back tomorrow, and it was a 40-minute bus ride, 2 different buses to get out here. But check that off the list. And now I'm free. One more thing, the lunch I had was so delicious. I got tom yum kung ramen, I got fried rice, and I got a hard-boiled egg, and I got water. All of that came to 259 baht, which equals $7.46, and I'm still full from that meal. That was my breakfast and lunch together, and I also wanted to get some gyoza, but I didn't. I'm definitely gonna find some gyoza for dinner though. I need it. It's scrumptious. Immigration's here. We got all these different floors. We even have a Daiso in this mall. It's almost like a 100 yen store. Almost like a dollar store. And they also have a Mr. Donut. They had a Mr. Donut in Japan. Those are the only things I really recognize. Thank you so much for vibing with me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on those notification bells so you know exactly when I post a new video. Peace, love, have a great day, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.